Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through on how to create a new workspace on Notion. Embark on a new journey with Notion, where the canvas of creativity awaits. Create a fresh workspace tailored to your aspirations. Here's your guide to charting this exciting path. Step 1. Navigate to the horizon. Find solace in the top left corner of your Notion window. A simple click on the workspace switcher icon unveils new possibilities. Step 2. Choose your guide. Select the email account that will lead your journey. The three dots icon, a gateway to options, stands beside the email. Step 3. The crossroads of choice. Click Join or Create Workspace from the drop-down menu. For the journey with your work email, there might be workspaces ready for your arrival. Step 4. Carve your space. Follow the prompts that guide your hand, fashioning your new workspace into a realm of personalization and possibilities. With a triumphant stride, you have birthed a new workspace in Notion, an empty canvas that eagerly awaits your brush strokes of ideas, projects, and collaborations. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.